Hello, I'm Andy Streichaz. I'm the product line manager for Eaton's Carter ground fueling products.
I'm Robert Sabonik, the technical sales support for Carter ground fueling products.
We're here today to talk to you about Eaton's hydrant pit valve with a remote pilot option. Bobby, can you explain to us some of the benefits of the Eaton remote pilot?
Sure. One of the major benefits to this pilot is that it's remote. You can actually remove it from the pit. That function alone means that you can take it out of the pit and attach it to a vehicle, which means there's fewer units out there. So if I have 100 pits and I only have 50 trucks, I really only have 50 pilots. All this is just a male connector for the actual pilot. This is the unit that activates the stem valve inside of here.
So that's the actuator. It's
Yes.
on the truck. You need less of them.
Correct, exactly.
So there's less cost because the simple piece is left in the pit.
Absolutely. So with there being fewer units out there, the bulk of the cost is in this unit right here. So if you only have 50 trucks, you're only maintaining 50 actuators. Whereas in a typical pit valve, you'll have 100 pit valves and 100 full pilots here. So they have to maintain the unit, they have to repair 100 different pilots. It's much more cost effective to use this method.
Any safety benefits with such a system?
Oh yes, so one of the great things about this is when you pull this out, when it detaches from the pit, you can take this with you on the truck and repair it in the shop. So the guy's not on the apron, he's not dealing with the traffic around him, he's staying in a much safer environment. So it's a controlled environment which protects him as well.
No snow, no FOD?
Exactly. So the majority of the repair is done in the shop. So for this right here, since there's very few parts in here, he's just removing 2 bolts and just getting into the seals down here. But the majority of the unit is this guy right here, which he can just do on a bench inside of a shop.
And what is this here? This is the lanyard? Is this for the dual pilot lanyard?
That's exactly what it's for. So the idea is that you can connect it or disconnect it by hand, or you have the option to pull the lanyard. So this is a manual override in case anything happens. So this basically means that you would have the dual functioning pilot.
That sounds like a pretty good deal. Is there anybody else making this in the industry?
No, we're the only ones right now. This has actually been around for a while. We created it and we patented it, and we've actually got a lot of really good positive feedback from the field. It's just a very robust design overall. So currently we are the only ones in the industry producing this product.
Well, thanks, Bobby. Thank you for listening today for our ground fueling product line update.